Hello, is it worth to buy ChatGPT Plus subscription? Now it costs $20 per month and gives you a lot of really useful things. It's a larger usage cap of GPT-4. Generate more images and send more requests. Get access to O1 and O1 Mini, more efficient and fast model. And also you will get other good things. But just imagine that you can get this ChatGPT Plus plan 4 times cheaper, for only $5. So I think now it's 100% worth to get GPT Plus. This is a good opportunity to try it and become more productive. Alright, now I will show you how to get ChatGPT Plus for $5. Let me explain why it's so cheap. Now we can't use regional prices because it has the same price in all countries. The best method is sharing usage. That means you get access to one account with other users. And one of the best services is Franz Store. I have been working with this service for several years now. I completely trust them. There are also a lot of other goods you can buy. You can find this link in the description. But let's try to buy GPT Plus. You will get the subscription for $5. As I said, it's shared account, so use this account with only one device. To buy this you should also have Discord. Join this server. I will leave an invite link in the description. You need it to confirm your purchase. Go back to the website and log into this store using your Discord. Go to Services, and ChatGPT Plus. Now you can buy it. Click, Add to Cart. If you don't have other orders, proceed to checkout. Now you should select a payment method. It can be PayPal, Crypto, Cash App, Steam items, and Steam gift cards. Crypto is the most convenient method for me, so I will choose it. You can pay with Binance Pay or the most popular crypto tokens. There is no commission if you use Binance Pay. Then make a transaction. I just sent 5 USDT from my Binance. After that you can click, I paid, and you get a code that you have to use in Discord. Go to the Discord server I showed before. Go to Website Tickets, click, Create Ticket, and now they ask to enter the code you just got on the website. As you can see, a new channel is created for me. Open it. Then send a screenshot to make it faster. Then enter, /confirm, and paste the key here one more time. And less a minute later they sent me username and password of the account I can use. Now you should to log into that account. Sometimes GPT asks an email code. Then go to Discord again and ask the code here. They will send it almost instantly. And now you get a full access to ChatGPT Plus subscription. Don't worry if you see requests from other users. As I said before, this is a shared account. Let's go to the subscription page. There is an info on what subscription you have right now. Now you can use all features of the GPT Plus. Let's try it. As I said, now you can send more requests and get more images using the doll model. It's really cool when you don't have a free plan restrictions. And also let's try O1 model. I just want to make some HTML page with a canvas field. This model is more faster and efficient one for coding and calculations. As you can see, I got an HTML code that works properly. There are also other AI models for your projects, and you can use it almost without restrictions. We also partnered with XI service where you can get GPT Plus as well. And check other subscriptions here. You might want to buy something. You can find all the needed links in the description. In this video I showed you how to buy GPT Plus shared account with 75% discount. Check also other subscriptions here. Leave a comment if you get any question. Thanks for watching.